Hey everyone, it's Matt here from Moesif, and today we're going to be looking at how to add Moesif as a segment destination. Let's get started.
Once we've logged into Segment, the next thing that we'll want to do is come over to Connections. From Connections, you'll see that I have a source already set up. This source is just a simple web app which uses the Segment JavaScript SDK. That is actually going to send any events into Segment, and then we're going to add Moesif as a destination for those events to be piped over to. So our next piece here is to click on Add Destination. Again, you can also come over to Destinations and click Add Destination here as well. Then what we'll do is in the top here, we'll search for Moesif. You'll see that you can set up Moesif as a source, but this time we're more interested in setting up Moesif as a destination so that the events will flow over into the platform and it will be used sort of as a CRM. So I'm going to click this. Then you can look at the Moesif overview here. Once you're happy with what you see, you can come over to the top and click Add Destination. Then you're going to select your data source. Of course, I'm going to use my Segment example app, which again is just a JavaScript website application. I'm going to click on this here, click Next in the bottom. Then we'll call this Moesif Prod. Now, if you're using multiple Moesif environments, you might have a Moesif Dev, a Moesif Test, and a Moesif Prod environment, or whatever you'd like to name it. For our purposes here, I'm just going to name this Moesif Prod, but you can call it whatever you'd like. Then at the bottom here, I'm going to click Create Destination. Now at this point, the destination is created, but it's not going to work yet because we still need to add the API key. To get this, we'll click on API key. We're going to need to fill this in with our Moesif application ID. In Moesif, once you've logged in, come down to the bottom, click on API keys, which you can grab the collector application ID from here, or what you can also do is if you click on extensions and search for segment, click configure or install if you haven't installed it yet. And at the bottom here, you'll be able to see your collector application ID for your demo or whatever your account is. So I'm going to click the copy button here and grab that. I'll exit out of this, then come back over to Segment and paste in this API key after clicking Edit. Paste it in. Then I'm going to click Save. Now our API key has been added. And the last piece here that we need to do is turn this destination on. And at this point, this should be active. Now, the easiest way to test this is to make sure that we've got some stuff coming into our source, which if you look at our example here, if I come to the debugger, you'll see that I've got some events. Now, these events from here should also be getting sent to Moesif as well. And what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to come over here back to Moesif. I'll go back. I'm going to click on the plus new button, then click live event log, and then I'm going to search by event type. And any events that come in through Segment are going to be listed as user actions. And these are the user actions coming over from Segment. And now if there is any metadata that's associated with these, we can also click on them and see all of this metadata as well. And with that, you now have Segment events coming into Moesif as a Segment destination.
If you'd like more information on how Moesif can work with Segment, you can check out our docs, which are actually going to be listed in the comments below. Thanks for checking out our video, and see you next time.